everyone, welcome to Collection TV. Today we'll be taking a look at Christina Wieland from Disney Pixar Cars 2015 Race Fans Collection. On the back we have Christina, Marty Breakburst, Matthew Trubu McCrew, Kit Revster, Timothy Two-Stroke, and JW, as well as a description which you can pause and read, and also a picture of Portocorsa, Italy. Let's open Christina up. Here she is out of the package. She's really awesome. Also, don't forget to take her flag out and put that in this hole right here. There we go. At the time this video was recorded, she's the only car with this body, although there was another car that was unfortunately canceled, or at least changed, that I'd like to show you. This is the 2009 Disney Pixar Cars Mattel Collector Guide, and as you can see there's a car here that's called Timothy Two-Stroke. Now, he never was released in a 1-pack and was exclusive in a 9-pack until 2014, where he was released in a 1-pack. But if you notice, you can see that these are actually different die-casts. They're both the same color and both have the same accessories, but if you look closely, the original Timothy from the Collector Guide has a longer body that looks almost the same as Christina's, except if you look closely, he's not a unibody. So that's pretty cool. Both Timothy Two-Stroke and the fake Timothy Two-Stroke were both in the movie. If you look closely in one of the scenes at the race, you can see Timothy Two-Stroke, or at least the original, or the Collector Guide version of him, behind like Daryl Cartrip and Bob Cutlass in the background in the crowd. Well, let's get back to Christina. Anyways, she is a 1/55 scale diecast made by Mattel with no paper stickers. She's really awesome. I really like her Piston Cup flag. In Cars, she was seen next to Mia and Tia, and she was also in Mater the Greater next to Mia and Tia, so that's pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching this video, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and I guess I'll see you next time. This is Henry Motor Coop. Bye.